It's adventure time. Come on, grab your friends. Go to very distant lands. Right here in our own town. Anyways, my mother and I are running some errands today, and I just got overalls in the mail. And I love them. Fit check. So we're going to some apricot farm and doing some other errands, and I thought it'd be a fun little vlog. Don't you think, Mom? It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be FU1 fun.
Fun. Look at her revving her Bruin merch. Woo! We're here picking apricots. Smile, Mom. Hold up your bucket. They're so cute.
I do. Oh, you know what? You know what one of my favorite things is? Apricot blueberry cobbler. And we can get a ton.
This one has a little baby apricot on it. Just finished our apricot picking. Super cute. Support your local farms. We love our local farms.
We love our local farms.
We love where we live because there's little local farms everywhere. Is there ones everywhere?
There's little local fruit stands on every corner.
Exactly. We live in farm town though. I just got my disposable camera developed that I use mostly throughout the school year. But there's this gem that I took last summer, 1 year ago.
Oh.
Took me that long. So shout out to my besties. And there's these college ones. Cute. Oh, I love that one actually. That one's so cute. And my roommates. Ah!
You're so cute.
Love my roommates. I guess they're not my roommates anymore. Bestie Eastman.
Oh.
That crepe was so good.
Cute.
And then here's the last picture I took on the day I moved out.
Oh.
Today, Wednesday, June 29th. And take a look at his nose because when you see it again, it'll have one more hole. Today I'm getting my nose pierced, and I'm going to a place that comes highly recommended from Katie and other friends who have many synthetic holes in them. My friend is also coming. There's Katie. She was supposed to get her nose pierced too, but couldn't get an appointment. So just me today. Right there.
I wasn't supposed to get my nose pierced.
No, the friend. Look at Katie's fit. She's so fit. Look at that. The green hair to match the green top.
Hey.
Hey! This is my fit.
Actually not that.
We're here!
Yay! It's the day! I take his clean. Oh, whatever.
Ready! Oh, look at that.
So exciting.
Emma, you'll have to get one soon.
I know. Nervous.
Then we can all have nose piercings. Okay. We're waiting for the restaurant. What do you feel like eating right now, Katie?
I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I want the guava juice or an iced chai.
Very good options.
Well, that's just for drink coffee.
Guava nectar.
Italian soda. Iced chai.
Nice. What do you think of your dish, Emma?
I think it's bigger than I am.
Katie, what do you think of your dish?
It looks good.
Katie's just dying to eat.
I think I'm just done.
And mine, it smells delectable, but it's huge. I'm back home. Me and my little nose ring made it. I think it looks good. Debate in the comments. Just kidding, say nothing harsh. Mom?
What? Oh,
What are, what are your thoughts on the subject?
digging it. Love it.
Digging it?
Yeah, looks good.
Nice.
I might get one too, just like it.
Oh my gosh, we could all be
can be
matching.
twins. We can be
Get it on the
twinsies.
same, get it on the right, just like me and Katie.
Okay, we can be twinsies.
Triplets. It's Dad's birthday!
Yay, I'm a year older.
Yay! What are we doing today for your birthday, Dad?
We're going to the beach and then to Barceloneta in Santa Cruz for dinner.
Fancy.
Yeah.
Are you excited, Mom?
Yeah, can't
Yeah.
wait. Super excited to
Yeah.
be living with, I don't know
Old
what I was
man?
gonna say. I was gonna say an old man.
Leaving the house is a whole ordeal, but we made it. Exiting the driveway. This is my favorite one by her so far. People we meet on vacation. I like it better than beach read and book lovers, for anyone who's wondering. Can't go to the beach without it being mega cold and windy. But at least the sun is out, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I'm chilly.
How they don't handle it well.
All right,
It is so windy.
Anna
though.
subscribers, what's up with?
Can anyone tell us why the beach is cold in the summer? It would be greatly appreciated. Sand is wreaking havoc on us. Katie, in honor of your father's birthday, what is your most favorite father memory?
That's a great question. What's my
Dad's here with his birthday drink. What is it, Dad?
Fancy gin and tonic.
That is fancy. Katie?
It's strawberry lemonade. Yum.
Oh, I have an exciting black burrito.
And I have passion fruit. Everyone, cheers. Cheers. We got our main dish. It's pie. All right, Dad, scoop some out. Come on, scoop.
What?
No, you go first, Dad. It's your birthday.
What's
Yum. Katie's exploring her inner child with magic sprinkles. Whoa.
Can I get a little taste, Kate?
And churros. We finished dinner and are strolling through an alleyway of downtown Santa Cruz.
Yeah, that's the Adventure Through Paradise, Dad.
Dad,
Oh,
how would you rate your birthday?
my birthday's been fantastic because I got to spend it with my awesome family.
Oh, Dad, you're too kind.
Oh, that's the best answer ever.
Mom, how would you rate Dad's birthday?
A 10 out of 10.
Really?
Dinner's great.
Guys are
Beach
giving
was
it high
freaking colder
ratings.
than the Dickens.
I'd give it like a 2 out of 10.
Beach was 2, dinner was 10.
Yeah, I agree with that. The beach,
Cold.
we're not trying to be dramatic, but it was miserable.
It was really
like
cold.
worst beach day ever.
Yeah,
It was freezing.
I
Yeah.
almost got buried.
She almost got buried in the sand.
Like, I'm not joking.
I think I have it on video.
You really? Did you take a video of me sleeping? Oh my God, you were like a freaking
Yes.
mom baby over there.